Hey guys, so let's get to drawing another cool animal. Today we're going to draw a cool bear. He's a little tired, but we love him. So we're going to start in the middle with his nose, and it's going to be a triangle with curved edges. Yeah, he's got a big nose, guys. All right, I'm going to leave a space on the side here, like a moon. It's going to be white. So I'm going to color this all out. I'm going to go down for the mouth and give him like a little frown. Then we go around all of this, like so. I'm going to take my blue, I've got a light blue here, and I'm going to color in everything in this circle here. Beautiful. All right, first step. Super easy, guys. Now we go right on the side here, and we're going to put three big dots. One, two, three. Next side. One, two, three. Okay, let's do his eyes. His eyes go right next to his nose. He's going to be super sleepy, so I'm going to go off like this, down, connect. Next side, same thing, up, about the same height, down, come across here, connect. His hair is going to be just about here. I want his ears to be on the side. I wish I brought him down a little bit, but that's okay. So if I come like this, I can put his ear over here. I'm going to come, let me come here. I'm going to give him some hair. So it's just going to go up, down, up, down. Okay, come down a bit. And let's do his ear over here. We're going to come down on the side. Sticks out because we're going to make like little hair shapes. Okay, so I'm going to go in on both sides. Down, we're curving. In, we're making the face. Okay, I'm going to go another one. So to do that, I go in and curve. So you go up, curve. From here, you want to come down a little bit, down a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to draw like again, a collar. It's all of these friends, they've got the same color. And then we're going to finish off his neck like that. Inside the ear, you just want to go like this. One, two. Okay, inside the ear goes the same color as the mouth area we just did. yellow for his collar. Okay, I want him to be like a dark blue. So I'm gonna go with this one maybe. And everything excluding the eyes. So we're not gonna color the eyes. I'm gonna go in this blue. We're gonna go around the eyes, around the mouth and the nose. Okay, around the collar, around the neck. I like this color. Nice, rich, dark blue. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the other side. We're gonna try our best. Finish as fast as we can. But also take your time and enjoy the process. Almost there. We're going around for the ear, around for the ear. Okay, you want to come down on the side. All right, then you want to come down here for the neck. I'm not going to go all the way down. I'm just going to go across like this. All right. Ooh, that was a lot of coloring, guys. All right, so I'm gonna put this blue back. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black, and then in here we're gonna go across. One, two. Then you're gonna make a curve that goes down like this. One, two. Get yourself another blue. This blue, this looks okay. This looks more like gray on the camera, but it's a blue. Under the eyes. Okay, and then on top of the eyes. All right. Inside the eye, we're going to go with this same shape again, like so. One, two, and then again, one, two. And you just want to color around that second one. And there you have it. We've got a sleepy bear. So guys, I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends all about it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.